In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an image to a page in Card. We'll start inside the Card editor with your site open. Before you link anything, make sure you've already set up the pages you want to navigate to. In Card, pages are created as sections, so confirm that the sections for things like Home, About, or Contact are already in place. Having clear descriptive section names will make this process faster and less confusing later. Next, select the image you want to turn into a link. Just click directly on it in the canvas. If you don't have an image yet, no problem. Add one by clicking the plus icon for Add Element, choosing Image, and uploading your file. A clean, high-quality image works best here, and it's worth checking that the size looks good on both desktop and mobile views, so it feels intentional when people tap it. With your image selected, look to the left-hand panel. You'll see options specific to that element. Click the link option. This tells Card you want the image to act as a clickable element rather than just a decorative one. A window will open with different link settings. Under Link Type, choose Page. This is important because you want the image to send visitors to another section within the same site, not out to an external URL. Selecting Page keeps navigation fast and consistent. You'll now see a list of your existing pages by name, such as Home, About, or Contact. Pick the page you want the image to redirect to. Think about intent here. A team photo might link to About, a product snapshot could go to Services, and a mail icon might jump straight to Contact. Choosing the most logical destination helps users know what to expect when they click. When you're satisfied with the target, click Done to save the link settings. Back on the canvas, you can quickly preview how it behaves by hovering or tapping in preview mode, making sure the cursor changes and the link feels correct. If something doesn't look right, just reselect the image and adjust the link settings. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to update your live website. Publishing applies your changes so visitors can use the image link immediately. If you're working with a custom domain or a Card subdomain, give it a moment to update, then view your site in a browser to confirm the image takes you to the right page. That's all it takes to turn an image into a clean, intuitive navigation element in Card.